What's the meaning of cinematography? Cinematography. Cinematography.
Cinematography. Cinematography. Cinematography is the art and technique of capturing visual images on film or digitally. It involves the use of cameras, lighting, composition, and other elements to create a desired mood or atmosphere in a film or video production. The result of cinematography is a visually compelling and immersive experience that brings the story to life on screen. Careful attention to lighting, camera angles, and movement can enhance character development, evoke emotion, and create a sense of time and place for the viewer. It is a critical component of the filmmaking process and can greatly impact the success of a project.